Alright, so bringing back your exhibit from yesterday. If you could open your binder to the grade section, we have a new entry for your grade tracker. Third row down, 2.33 exhibit over density. I'll talk about how I graded that and retake seconds. Over down, write that down, record it. I'll be back. I think I gave it back already. I should have given it back.
Can you give it back already?
That'll remind me.
Is it being there?
I think this is for pen. Yeah. I think it's really good class all about during that time. Asking me to maybe like 10 minutes each. What's the today's last?
Oh, I see what I did wrong.
Alright, so when I grade your exit, a couple things. Each problem was 13 points. On the back, some of you might not like me right now because I might have taken off for a work or units. As a student, I hated when my teachers took off for work or units. I thought it was stupid, and now I've become the thing I hate. But the reason is, in the future of my class, we do a lot more complicated math. And you have to show your units and work, otherwise you can't do the work at all, because it's a lot more complicated than this. So get in the habit of showing your work in your units. If you don't like a grade, do know this is the last grade for your report cards in my class. Grades are due on Monday, so if you don't like it, I will have a total today. You can retake any time before 5 o'clock. So put this in the graded section of your binder. Today is pretty much all a lab. So before we get to our lab, if you have a calculator, take it out. If you need one, please borrow one from me. So come around. Tiny bit of math today, so after that, most of today will be a lab.
Now everybody wants.
All right, let's start. 3, 2, and. So today, I hope you're thirsty. I know a lot of you are always thirsty, but I hope you're thirsty because today you're going to be making a 3-layer drink. This one isn't as pretty anymore because I made it like 2 hours ago because I just said they start to mix pretty cool. Every single one of you will get to make a 3-layer drink, different colors, whatever you want, and drink it by the end of class. So to do this, we have to use what we learned for the past couple days. Density. Take a pen or pencil, separate your paper into 3 parts. 2 lines. Draw a line for the first part, the second part. So we're going to make, in our lab today, a 3-layer drink. We have to have 3 different densities. Our first layer, at the very bottom, is going to be our soda layer. So our base at the very bottom is made of our soda. Your base today will be a Sprite. So Sprite, very sugary. My accent, I know, it's Spanish. Our Sprite is so sugary that even compared to Coke, remember yesterday Coke floats?
Yeah.
Sprite is more sugary than Coke and will actually sink.
Wow.
Okay.
Do these have to go in that specific order, or can they be flipped around?
Yeah, so you must do densest to least dense.
Oh,
Good
okay.
question. So to make our first layer, we're just going to have some Sprite. We need to figure out how dense our Sprite is so we can build on it. So if you look at the Sprite can, it tells you 2 things. 38 grams of sugar, or 330 mils of liquid. So before we can make our drink, we have to know its density. Let's find our density. Get it before. Capital D equals 38 mass over 330. Take 5 seconds, please. Somebody calculate that. Tell me what you get. When you get it, yell out. 0.115, 0.11? Yeah. But, wait a second. Wait a minute. Yeah. Does this make sense?
No.
Sprite. It float or sink.
Dang.
It has to be more dense. That's not more dense. It has to be more than 1. This is way less than 1. What's wrong with this calculation? We're missing something. Because it has to sink. We set it up right. Massive or point.
The decimal.
It says for every 330.
True. Our calculation's good. This.
I know.
Was
It's
it.
because that's Sprite, and you're supposed to use 7-Up.
I was very excited. I was like, oh, he's got it.
Oh.
That's a typo. But they have the same amount of sugar. 7-Up will also sink. Well, I appreciate the enthusiasm.
Good job, bro. Top 8.
So, let's talk about Sprite.
Good job.
In this can of Sprite, we have flavoring, like lemon. We have 38 grams of sugar. What else do you have in here? Carbonation. Water. There's a lot of water here. We did not account for how heavy the water is. That's what we're missing. So inside of this, there is 38 grams of sugar, yes, but we didn't add the water. So add the water. Add your 330. So at the very top of this, we should have put 330 milliliters of water plus the sugar. 330 plus 38. That's the mass of this can. So on top, not 38, 368 plus. So we calculate this, divide 368 over 330. Our density of Sprite should be 1.12. That makes sense. That is more than 1. That's why it sank. Good. So that's going to be our first layer. We'll have some Sprite. Our second layer, if you look behind Evelyn, behind Jose, or Michael, your second layer will be Kool-Aid. So to make a Kool-Aid layer, we have to do some more calculations because for this to float above the Sprite, it has to be less dense than this. So, for this experiment today, I will tell you right now the density of the Kool-Aid needs to be 1.05 grams per milliliters. 1.05. That's the density that we're shooting for because it's less than this, but more than the water. I will also tell you this is your volume. That's how much Kool-Aid, that's how much water you'll be making the Kool-Aid with. So you have your density, you have your volume. Please find the mass. Please find the grams of Kool-Aid you should be making today. Take a minute, calculate mass, find the grams. I give you density, I give you volume. Find the mass. All right, so again, hopefully you found density, 1.05 for density. You don't know mass? Let's find our volume. So, what did you get for mass? 78.75 grams Kool-Aid. That's a crap load of Kool-Aid. You know how much that is? That's like this entire thing full of Kool-Aid. That's too much. Again, our measurements are wrong. We don't need this much Kool-Aid.
Oh, for the water, right?
It's water. This is Kool-Aid plus water. Take away the water. Take away the 75. 3.75. That's how much Kool-Aid we should be using in today's experiment. So, your last calculation then. At the very top of your drink, you're going to have fake sugar. Meaning sweet and low. If you don't like sweet and low, you don't have to use it. It just won't taste like anything. For a fake sugar, your density needs to be less than Kool-Aid, but a little bit more than water. So for our density, we're going to be using 1.01. Fake sugar density needs to be a little more dense than water, just barely. For the sake of time, this is one of your classes. You can do this calculation if I give you some more time, but for now. For our fake sugar, you'll have to use approximately 1 gram. Okay, let's do it. Flip it over. So today, each and every one of you will be making your drink. You'll have a cup, a straw, and a spoon. These are yours to use. Like them, use them to drink the stuff, and just put them away when you're done. Make sure you drink this before you leave my class. You can't take it to work. Sorry. So you have a cup. The way this works is that the steps 1, you just move around the room. Step 2, and then step 3. So you're like, what do I do? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1's over here. Step 1 is take your cup. You need ice. I'm behind Maxie. Just add some ice to your cup. There's a bunch of Sprites. All of them are just regular Sprites with different colorings. All I did was put food coloring, so it's safe, I promise. So whatever the color is, I label it on the thing. I'm going to use green for my first. The bottle is green, so it usually look weird. For our first measurement, for my Sprite, my soda, if you read the instructions, you need about 75. During today's experiments, do not worry about being perfect in your measurements. So when I pour this, if I get 70, that's fine. If I get 82, that's fine. Just get close to 75, and you'll be fine. So 75 mils. I got 60. That's okay with me. Poured in. First layer is the easiest. There we go. Second layer then. Our Kool-Aid. For your Kool-Aid, take your pen and pencil, write this down. For our Kool-Aid, we calculated that we need 375 grams. To make this easier, let's just round it up. Let's round that number to 4. So on step 6, when you make your Kool-Aid layer, just use about 4. So you'll pick one of the 4 flavors we have: grape, cherry, orange, lemon, up to you. You'll do your measurements back here. However, I was a little wrong when I assumed people knew how to use a scale. So here's how I use a scale. I've been seeing a lot of trouble today. So we have a scale. You're going to have a beaker. You take your beaker, and we need 4 grams. So before I take my Kool-Aid, what do I do next? Before I start adding my Kool-Aid,
Press 0.
press 0. You should look, it should be empty. You should put it on before you do anything else. I've had so many people mess this up today. Empty beaker, press 0. Let it sit for 3 seconds. This is the Jenks scale. Let it sit. When it says 0 with an empty beaker, then you may begin and add your 4 grams of Kool-Aid. This way, you're not measuring the glass, you're just measuring Kool-Aid. So once again, get close to 4. If you get 3.5, if you get 4.6, that's fine. I'll survive. I take my Kool-Aid, we'll have some water. A lot of you are very high maintenance and don't like to drink sink water, so I bought you a jug of water. But do know that whenever you drink out of the water fountain, you're drinking the exact same water that comes out of those taps. It is not filtered, it's the exact same water. So this is the first thing. You'll take your water, again, about 75. It doesn't matter if you go over or under. Pour it. So you will stir this for about 2 or 3 minutes. You know you're done when you can look in the light and you don't see any more sugar crystals. That means they all dissolved. It should take about 2 or 3 minutes. For the sake of time, I'm going to skip ahead because I don't want you to just scare me watching stirring something. Oof. And here's the most important part. So, to make your layers work, here's the trick. Take your spoon, flip it upside down, and you're going to put it right above the liquid that you already have. Then, as slowly as you can, pour the liquid on the spoon because you want to avoid mixing it. If I just dump it in right now, it's going to mix and give me brown. But if I pour slowly and I pour on the spoon, you should get a very nice layer of a second. So the slower you go, the better. If you go fast, they will mix and give you a very weird color, probably brown. So I'm going actually a little bit too fast, but hopefully you get the idea. The slower, the better. This is too fast. For the sake of time, I'm just going to pour it all real quickly. That's bad. But even if it's bad, you can still get a decent separation of 2 colors. So pick colors that look good together. Green and purple, kind of ugly. Green and yellow, much better. Things like that. Your last layer, it's going to be with fake sugar. You want to have fake sugar, Splenda, or Sweet Mellow. This packet is how much we need. Remember, on the first page, we need 1 gram of fake sugar. So, up here. Number 9, write this down. For step 9, for the fake sugar, we need approximately 1 gram. How much is 1 gram? 1 packet. If you don't want to use the entire packet, that's fine. Just as much or as little as you want. For the second part, step 10, please write down 1/4, 1/4 of a spoon. Here's the last 2 parts. So again, I'll take my beaker. You might want to rinse it out to get rid of the first Kool-Aid. I like sweet enough. I don't mind the taste. Not at all. And then my fake sugar. Your fake sugar will be on my desk. You have 7 different flavors, 7 different colors. Pick whatever you want. Again, you don't need much, meaning a 1/4 spoonful. A 1/4 spoonful should be invisible to Maxie across the room because it's not very much at all. A tiny amount. 1/4 spoonful goes in, and we add our water. Take my water, 75 mils, give or take. If you get close, that's fine. Pour it in, stir, and finish it. Again, stir it until the crystals disappear. Spoon upside down, right above the liquid. The slower you go, the better. I'm going to go way too fast, but hopefully you get the idea. So this is super fast. It should take me like 3 minutes to pour, but I'm doing it in 10 seconds. But even then, not bad. When you're done, you have a straw. You may enjoy it. It's like the Jamaican flag. But actually, it will taste really bad if you don't mix it, but it looks really pretty. If you want it to taste good, you got to stir it and kind of ruin it. So it's got to give or take. So whatever you want to do, you can leave it like that and drink it, or mix it. Cool. You'll need a jug of water, a basket. Station 1, 2, 3. Just work your way around the room. Begin.
We're gonna get how many?
Grab the pass. Hanging below my poster. It doesn't matter what basket you get, just get a basket and a jug of water. All the instructions are on that paper, so if you forget, just Read them. Grab a cup, get some ice.
You won. Oh no! Oh, son.
I would have won. So initially, there's a big rush. If you want to get ahead of the game, I would skip that. Yeah, finger. Yeah. Go ahead and make it. Because everyone else is
Oh, you're right.
Take your zero your finger. But you don't pour it, so when you make it, don't pour it, save it until you make it. Take the Sprite to your desk. You gotta measure it. Take the Sprite to your table. Get a chair. Take the Sprite to your table.
No, why you doing that? You have to measure it. Don't stare at me. I've been oh yeah, I forgot. Why are you late? Besides, you're more than me. You know how y'all gonna take? I need one. ¿No want it? Yeah. Me pasé. Okay. Vete al otro pique. ¿Voy a llenar eso de agua? Sí, please. 75? Lo que sea. ¿Eso es rojo? ¿Y la tapa? ¿Y la tapa? Ya, ¿y hay una cámara? Where's the camera? ¿Es cámara? David. No, una cámara. ¿Es cámara? Sí, es cámara. Miren. Bueno, pásame el... ¿Cuánto está? I brought fruit punch. Maybe,
That's a camera? Oh, that's a camera.
Give me.
Hey, what do we do next?
I don't know.
He put fruit punch. Hold on.
Sir, what do we do next? Oh, measure. Zero, put it in.
It is.
So, ya sácalo, put it back and then. Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, I forgot to get a spoon.
That blue lady here.
Yeah, there. That's the camera. My dumbass went right. I know.
There's also still over here. Yellow.
Yellow.
Oh,
yellow.
Hey, what flavor is that? How much is it?
How much?
Cherry, I think. I don't fucking know.
Yeah, 4.
Bro, why you
Ooh, I know.
Evan, you got the spoon?
Mamá.
Yeah, go get me spoon. Oh my.
I don't know, there was water.
Fruit punch?
I gotta watch this.
Fucking hate y'all. Hope you fucking get run over by like this one. No, I want fruit punch.
Bro, hold up. Who's doing fruit punch?
Oh my
Wait a minute.
No,
bro.
Where do I? Rocky and Stan come up on people. Brother. Who is it? 5'3".
That's enough, right? You said 4, but don't worry about it. Let's go. You're good.
That is the camera.
Yo, let me get that. Let me get over.
Nothing right.
It's mine. Oh my fucking god. That's great. I'm sorry, Steven. Doesn't matter. Oh my god.
You were good.
Just like that is good. Oh my. I was wait. Okay, that's never mind. Yeah, go ahead. But I'm gonna go after you. Would that be okay with you? If that's okay with you, I'd like to go next. No, that's not. Oh my.
What you doing? How many we gotta do? 3, right?
It's 4. I'm gonna go. Nah. I don't gotta do.
Damien!
Let me go. I
I'm
didn't
gonna
wait
do my experiment.
I don't know who let this one.
Give me that. Hey man, if you don't move, bro. Don't get your own, bro. They at the table again. Come on, bro. Let me just look. Wait for it.
No, it's
That's
not.
mine!
Where you see fruit punch?
You gonna make one for your own?
Oh, shoot that fruit punch.